Hello everyone, today we will see one of the best decks out there for Arena 7, and you can use this deck for Arena 8 as well. This is going to be mind-blowing and it will make you win almost 90% of your matches, and it's more about how you utilize this deck rather than the deck. So watch this video till the end to find out the best way to use this deck. Just pay attention how different cards are being played and just use them in the similar way to make the best out of them. You have to use the lower elixir requirements for the defense and then attack with the higher ones. Use the buildings as defense, they are quite good at it. And it's better to hold with your cards and let the elixir accumulate. First defend your position, and after that you can attack. But there will be some situations where your offense will be the best defense. It's all about how and when you are going to utilize different cards. These goblins are quite good if you know how to use them and divert all the enemy armies and then utilize these goblins. Let's play some more matches for more clarity, and this time let's see how the opponent plays, and according to that we will also play. So we need to defend this one, and this tombstone is the best way to defend it. And here we reduce the health of wizard. And let your elixir accumulate and play your moves accordingly. here we go with our goblins, and seems like we are going to get the tower. Maybe not this time. Let's wait. For P.E.K.K.A.s, just drop something that has good amount of army, because P.E.K.K.A has a good attack power, and if you are just going to drop wizard or something like that, then P.E.K.K.A will eat it up quite easily. Okay, here comes the Dark Prince. Tombstone will be good for defense. Just use Tombstone for defense. It is quite good at defending even with a lot of troops out there, and even if you want to use it for attack, it is great because the reinforcement that comes with it is pretty good to push forward your wave of attack. Now I want to get this wizard first because this is going to give us more damage, so that's why I dropped barbarians at the back, and we don't have to worry about this. And here we go, we won another match. Now let's play one more before we turn off this video. By the way, I will also be recording some more videos for the another deck, and I'm just testing out the best ones, and it's more about how you use these cards in any particular situation, and this way you would be able to play better even with the not so good decks. Make sure that you always have something to take the damage before wizard, otherwise your wizard's going to get eaten up quite easily. I think we are going to lose this tower. Here comes ROAYL. And we just took out goblins like nothing. Okay, now in this situation the opponent has an advantage of the tower because the tower and the dragon both are attacking together. Now these are small skeletons going to take out everything, and here we go. Let's push and see. Don't lose hope just because we lost a tower. I think we are going to win this one. on, let's move forward and win this one. Should have waited for the lightning, but it's okay. See, the tombstone is still helping us with the pushing of our attack wave. This cannon is not going to attack the dragon, so can we win this one? I think we can win this one. And here we go, quite easy. We are in overtime, 1 minute left. Let's see whether we win this one or not. I think we will win this one. Rider dead. I think we have accumulated enough troops to attack. See how I'm pushing towards both ends, as this is going to divert or divide the army of the opponent, and we are going to go and attack in full mode. And this is how you do it. The longer this game goes, the better for us, because our troops are going to sustain for a longer duration of time and we are going to perform better, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such helpful videos, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.